Hello YouTube, this is Airsoft Reviews 455, and today I'm going to be reviewing the M4 A1 carbine airsoft gun from Walmart. I got this at Walmart for $100. It comes with the gun, the battery, a bottle of 500 BBs, and it also comes with a handgun, the Colt MK4. I'll probably be doing that in a later review. And yeah, I think it was a good deal. So anyway, let's get to the gun. Yeah, like I said, M4 carbine. It's a really great gun. Has 300 feet per second. Has a nice weight to it. Comes with the mag, of course. It comes with a front grip. The handle attachment, the red dot sight, and yeah, and this gun is very accurate. It has 3 modes: safety, semi, and full auto. So here, now I'm just going to show you the sights. Just give me 1 second. I don't know if you can see there. Here, I'll zoom in with the camera. This is the sights. I got a little crack in my red dot sight. I dropped it, but you know, whatever. So yeah, that's that. I have the batteries shot in my laser sight, but you know, yeah, like I said, it comes with the front grip. So to take it off, you just screw off the bottom here, and it slides off like that. But I like it with the front grip on. Makes it more stable, and it just looks cool. So the mag, it's just press this button and comes out. The mag, I think, has around a 300 round mag capacity. You just open up this little flap and you pour your BBs in. Here, I'll do that now. That should be good. So yeah, you just close that up, and here. All you do is you just wind. You can hear the BBs in there. And like a lot of airsoft guns, they just come up through there, and you just wind until it gets fairly hard to wind. And yeah, your mag's all set. So that's the mag. So right now I'm gonna show you the battery. This is a little bit hard to get off. It's not that hard, but yeah, you just slide that off. And here's the battery. I'm not sure how many volts it is, but yeah, you don't charge more than 5 hours, as it says right there. And yeah, you just store it in there, and you just kind of, it's a little bit of a pain to try to stuff all the wires in there. But yeah, you just try to get them in as best you can. And pop it down like that. Yeah, right here, we've got the adjustable sights. Right here. You just pull that back, and you can, I don't know if you saw that. Yeah, you just pull that back, and you can adjust the sights in there. Close that up. And yeah, this is a really great gun, and for the price that you're getting it at, it's a really good deal. So now we're going to do a little shooting test. Okay, so we have the gun loaded with BBs. I don't know if you can hear them in there. But yeah, first we're going to be doing semi-auto, then we're going to be doing full auto. I'm going to be shooting that pop bottle over there. I'll zoom in. Okay. Okay. So first we're going to do semi-auto. that was semi-auto. I can see it's really accurate. Now we're going to do full auto. As you can see, it just owns it. Oh man, I love this gun. Yeah. That's this gun. It's highly recommended. For the price you're getting it at, it's a great gun. So yeah. Check out my other videos and see you next time.